Yo, what up, YouTube? How are you doing today? I know you like this intro because I have no catchphrase. Okay, what up, YouTube? I'm trying to do landscaper here with my iPod to see if I could get it longer because I've seen people with it longer. But today I have picked up, you can see, the Apple keyboard. It's for Mac, but it's Apple too. So, and it's wireless for Bluetooth. For me, iPad. So, I'll go ahead and show you some stuff. Let's see. I love my rolly thing right there. Look, I love it. Roller. See, look, let's go right here. See, no keyboard. Go on here, type in notes. I'm sorry. T. What? Not even on there. And then it comes up over here. Go to notes. Okay. I never do notes. So, oh, there we go. You just tap. And right here, there's some pretty good buttons. Okay, up here's your brightness. See, I'm trying to look through my iPod and do this. So see, look, it pulls up. Sorry about that, but pulls it down. Then it takes it back up. And this right here closes like if you have. Oh, sorry, my finger got in the way. Okay. This right here, it holds if. I'm just still trying to look through my iPod because I'm trying to get it off. This is driving me crazy, guys. Right here, it closes all everything. This, no clue. Command, I have no idea. Spacebar, you know. Come on, work. Spacebar. If you hear that in the background, it's burn notice. I would turn it down, but I love watching this. This is like the second time I've watched it. Not this episode. And up here, volume. Good volume. This button, I have no idea. Oh, right here. This button right here, I just figured it out. You push it, and it pulls up this cable. I just hit something and turned on music.
What you mean I ain't call you? I hit you when I landed.
Hold up, what did I hit?
I'm waiting in my hotel room. Seems like we're arguing more and it's getting less romantic. Yeah, I think she'll be able to tell soon, but I do right out.
Oh, right here you can turn your music on.
Well, I do right. Push roll, glass,
everything. And then money, I got money, and everything. Okay. Well, I just figured that out. I'm still learning. So yeah. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna type. I love my keyboard. Trying to do this one hand, crisscrossing. I love my keyboard. I tried to do that right there, and then this. I love my keyboard. Bored. Well, thanks YouTube. This has been my review. I hope you liked it. I've learned something. I hope you have too. This is $70 at Walmart, and it's called a wireless keyboard. Alright, guys. Thanks. Peace.